Hey everyone, welcome back to Infinite Scientific Exploration. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of science, a place where possibilities are as boundless as the cosmos. We're about to unravel the mysteries surrounding a topic that has captivated scientists, ethicists, and science fiction enthusiasts alike: cloning. Get ready to have your mind blown as we explore the top 5 fascinating facts about cloning. From the natural wonders of identical twins to the groundbreaking creation of Dolly the sheep, we'll uncover the science, the history, and the potential of this revolutionary technology. So, buckle up, fellow knowledge seekers, as we embark on an exhilarating journey into the realm of genetic replication and its implications for the future. Before we dive into the groundbreaking world of lab-created clones, let's take a step back and appreciate that nature has been in the cloning game for millennia. You see it all the time: identical twins. They're nature's way of showing us that creating genetically identical beings isn't science fiction, it's hardwired into the fabric of life itself. Now, when we talk about cloning in a scientific context, we're essentially talking about creating a genetically identical copy of an organism or even just a single cell. And while the process might seem like something straight out of a futuristic movie, the basic principle is rooted in the very essence of biology. Think of it this way: every cell in your body, from the hair on your head to the tip of your toe, contains the same DNA blueprint. It's like having a library of genetic instructions that tell each cell what it's supposed to be and how it's supposed to function. Cloning, in its simplest form, is like taking a single book from that library and using it to create an entirely new library, identical in every way to the original. Now that's some pretty mind-blowing stuff. The year was 1996. The world watched in awe as scientists in Scotland announced the birth of Dolly, a seemingly ordinary Finn Dorset sheep. But Dolly was anything but ordinary. She was a clone, a genetic replica of a 6-year-old ewe, and her arrival sent shockwaves through the scientific community and beyond. What made Dolly so extraordinary? She was the first mammal ever cloned from an adult somatic cell. In simpler terms, scientists had taken a cell from the udder of an adult sheep and used its DNA to create an entirely new, genetically identical sheep. Before Dolly, the prevailing scientific dogma was that once a cell had differentiated, become a skin cell, a muscle cell, or in Dolly's case, a mammary gland cell, it was locked into that fate. Dolly shattered that dogma, proving that adult cells could be reprogrammed, their biological clocks turned back to an embryonic state, capable of generating an entirely new organism. Dolly's birth wasn't just a scientific triumph, it was a paradigm shift, a moment that redefined the boundaries of biological possibility. It opened up a Pandora's box of possibilities in medicine, agriculture, and conservation, sparking both excitement and ethical debate that continues to this day. Cloning isn't a one-size-fits-all endeavor. It's a diverse field with different techniques aimed at achieving specific goals. Let's break down the 2 main types of cloning: reproductive cloning and therapeutic cloning. Reproductive cloning is what brought us Dolly the sheep. It's the process of creating a genetically identical copy of an existing organism. Think of it like hitting the copy and paste button on life itself. The goal here is to produce a new, fully formed organism that's a genetic replica of the donor. On the other hand, therapeutic cloning takes a slightly different approach. Instead of creating a whole organism, therapeutic cloning focuses on creating embryonic stem cells that are genetically identical to the donor. These stem cells are like blank slates, capable of developing into any type of cell in the body. Therapeutic cloning holds immense promise for regenerative medicine. Imagine being able to grow new organs or tissues for transplantation, perfectly matched to the recipient's genetic makeup, eliminating the risk of rejection. It's like having a biological repair kit tailored to your own DNA. Cloning isn't just confined to the realm of science fiction. It's a technology with real-world applications that are already making waves in various fields. From agriculture to medicine to conservation, cloning is proving to be a versatile tool with the potential to reshape our world. Let's start with agriculture. Imagine being able to create herds of livestock with desirable traits: cows that produce more milk, sheep with softer wool, or chickens resistant to diseases. Cloning makes this possible, allowing farmers to enhance productivity and improve animal welfare. In medicine, the potential of cloning is nothing short of revolutionary. Therapeutic cloning, as we discussed earlier, holds the key to regenerative medicine, offering hope for patients with organ failure, spinal cord injuries, and degenerative diseases. Imagine a future where we can repair damaged hearts, regrow severed limbs, or even reverse the effects of aging, all thanks to the power of cloning. And then there's conservation. Cloning offers a glimmer of hope for endangered species on the brink of extinction. By preserving the genetic material of these animals, we might one day be able to reintroduce them into the wild, ensuring the survival of these magnificent creatures for generations to come. As with any powerful technology, cloning comes with its fair share of ethical and societal implications. The ability to manipulate the very building blocks of life raises profound questions about our values, our responsibilities, and the future of our species. One of the most hotly debated aspects of cloning is the possibility of human cloning. While the scientific community largely agrees that reproductive cloning of humans is unethical and unsafe with current technology, the ethical debate rages on. What are the potential psychological and societal impacts of creating genetically identical individuals? Who has the right to create and control human life? These are questions with no easy answers. Beyond the philosophical dilemmas, there are also practical concerns. The success rate of cloning is still relatively low, and cloned animals often suffer from health problems. Dolly the sheep, for example, died prematurely due to complications from a lung disease. These ethical considerations underscore the need for rigorous scientific research, ethical guidelines, and open public discourse to navigate the complex landscape of cloning. The future of cloning is uncertain, but one thing is clear: this technology has the potential to reshape our world in profound ways. As we continue to unlock the secrets of the genome, we must proceed with caution, wisdom, and a deep respect for the sanctity of life. Well, there you have it. 5 mind-blowing facts about cloning that have hopefully ignited your curiosity and left you pondering the future of science and humanity. Cloning is a complex and rapidly evolving field with the potential to revolutionize our world in countless ways. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the fascinating world of cloning, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more mind-expanding content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next cosmic adventure. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop searching for knowledge in the vast universe around us.